What's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's really quick video, I'm going to share with you guys how to print custom clothing, but especially sleeves. So in this example, we're going to be printing on a sleeve on a 100% polyester hoodie. So this is a bit different than if you were printing on 100% cotton or 50-50. The main reason it's different is that ideally you don't want to run this under the heat press because it's going to create a square on the sleeve. So in this example, we're going to be using the mini press. So if you guys don't already have one, I'll have a link down in the description. It's going to be one of the first links, and it's going to be to this mini press. This is the off-brand mini press. It's about half of the price of the circuit mini press. So you're going to be saving some money. And as well, the reason you want to be using this mini press instead of the heat press is that it's going to create less of a square when you print on the sleeve. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your garment and you want to actually go ahead and spread it out. So I'm just going to place the camera here, and I'm going to be placing my garment how I want it to be. So now that you got your sleeve placed, the next step is going to be to place your logo where you want it on the sleeve. So the print is now placed on the sleeve where we want it. Now the next step is going to be to insert a small Teflon pillow. I'll also have links for Teflon pillows, especially these little ones for sleeve prints, down in the description below. It's going to be right under this link for the mini press. So you want to insert this inside of the hoodie or the sleeve that you're printing, and after that we'll move on to the next step. So once the pad is inserted, you just want to shimmy it around so you make sure that you're actually all on the pad when you're heat pressing it. Alright guys, so now you're ready to print. Make sure the heat press is on the lowest setting, the mini press, and basically you just want to glide on the logo. First you just want to put some pressure so it doesn't move anymore, and then you just want to glide. Don't stay at the same spot for too long, and don't apply too much pressure, especially at the beginning. You just want to glide like this, and that's pretty much it. So start like this, go all on the logo. You want to stay on each letter around 10 seconds, light pressure. You want to move the pad if ever the logo is too big as you go, to make sure that each time you're heat pressing, it's always under a pad. You just want to go back and forth one more time. You'll be able to see some lines. The lines are basically the polyester running through, and once you see the lines on each letter, you're going to be ready to peel. Perfect, so we're ready to peel. We'll go ahead and use a ceramic plaque just to lay down on the logo. And it's going to be hard to tell with the camera, but there is some lines going through each letter. Basically, these little lines right here, they're all going through the letters. So once you peel, it should be very easy. Just like this. As you can see, incredible result. Now you want to go ahead and repress. Now for the repress, you're going to need to use some sort of Teflon paper. So same thing, start on one side, go around 10 seconds on each letter, all while moving in a circular motion. So after taking a close look and doing a quick stretch test, we can see that everything is perfect. I'm going to do one more time for good luck, starting with the last letter, staying around 4 seconds on each letter. Removing this, putting the pad on the next letters, because the pad is a bit shorter than the logo we're printing. And that's pretty much it. You're done. Now you can remove the pad and the job is done. You want to repeat this as many times as you need, and as you can see, it did not even create a square. I'm going to remove the Teflon pillow inside and show you the final result. As you can see, incredible, and it didn't create no scorch marks, no squares. So that's perfect. That's exactly what we want. If you guys found this video somewhat helpful, make sure you leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.